Hello, my name is Javier Morales, and today I'll be introducing you to SJSU's databases and focus on one that you will likely use as an undergraduate English major, Literature Online, which is available to San Jose State University students through the University Library website. If it's your first time using a database, this will be important to pay attention to, as it is a tool that you will be using often throughout your university career. If you are unfamiliar with the term database, it is simply a structured set of data that is indexed for searching. In most cases, databases focus on specific fields of study, are primarily composed of scholarly articles, and are largely available through online access. They're used to access both older and current scholarly materials, and because scholarly research can take time, databases allow access to recently published articles that might not have had the chance to be published in full books yet. This allows users to learn more about what topics are currently being examined in depth in their field of study. Many databases are also great sources for primary source materials, which your professors will most likely require for college-level research papers. As SJSU students, you will have access to over 400 databases, as well as research guides created by SJSU librarians that provide recommendations for specific subjects. When you have some extra time, feel free to head over to library.sjsu.edu and click on Article and Databases on the right-hand side under Quick Links. As undergraduate English students, Literature Online is only one of several different databases that you may turn to for your assigned research papers. Literature Online is hosted through ProQuest, which is a paid subscription research database provider and is a resource for the study and teaching of literature in English. It has over 355,000 literary works with a vast library of key criticism and reference sources. Many researchers rely on this database's collection of prose, drama, and poetry, and it includes a constantly growing collection of full-text journals and articles of the latest research into literary and linguistic study. It also includes a large list of author biographies ranging from the 8th century to the present day. Databases make it easy to find suitable sources for research by allowing users to search for specific key terms and further narrow the results through filters such as publication dates, author, subject, material type, and more. In the following videos, we will cover how to perform basic searches using Literature Online, as well as more advanced methods that you can use to make the most of this research tool. We will also provide you with a short handout on how to access Literature Online and complete a basic search. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me through my email, javiermorales@sjsu.edu. Thank you.